A routine traffic stop turns into pure ego. A dad films from across the street, and the officer escalates so hard, the city later pays $250,000 to settle the lawsuit. Watch how fast "I'm in control" becomes "taxpayers paid for it." We're attorneys. Watch the full footage first, then we'll break down the everyday rights issues. Why rolling up a window isn't automatically a crime, why filming from a public place is generally protected, and how contempt of cop escalations create civil liability fast.
All right, step out of the car for me. Step out. Do not shut that window. Open it now. Step out. Right here. Face that direction. Face that direction. Put your hands right here behind your back. Don't move. Do you understand? Why are you acting so suspicious?
Because I'm scared.
Well, what, you're rolling your window up when I'm walking up on scene for a routine traffic stop. Ain't nothing going on. You roll your window up. What does that look like to me?
I mean, I'm just rolling it up because it's for my safety.
For your safety?
Yeah. Nothing. I rolled up my window.
Take off.
That's my dad.
No, sir. Yeah.
I rolled up my window.
320. Give me a unit code now.
And he got mad because I rolled up my window.
Step right here.
Window down?
I rolled it up.
Separate your feet.
Well, that's what happened, huh?
Yeah.
You're about to be arrested for blocking the roadway if you don't park and get out.
I rolled.
Park and get out?
I rolled
Park over there.
You said I can. It's my right.
You are interfering with my job. You need to go park over there.
I'm just reporting you.
I rolled up my window like you said. It was my right to roll up my window.
No, it's not. You roll up the window. Watch him.
Watch me what? Watch me stand here?
Yep. But yet, arrest him.
For what?
All right, put your phone down.
Blocking the roadway?
Put your phone down. Turn around.
No, man.
Nope.
For what?
Hey.
What? Hold on. What am I blocking? I'm not blocking any roadway.
Nope. Enough.
I am not blocking a roadway.
Right. Put your phone down. Put your hands behind your head.
Hey, Russ, I hope you got this on video. This guy's arresting me for just standing here. And now he's taking my phone away.
Hey. What are the units?
Dude, oh my God.
Hey, you're gonna...
Dude, this guy's arresting me for just standing here. And now he's taking my phone away.
Hey. What are the units?
Dude, oh my God.
Hey, you're gonna...
Dude, what are you doing?
You're gonna get sprayed. Okay?
I'm not
Put your
even
hands
doing
behind your
anything.
head.
My God.
Spray him.
I'm not even doing anything.
Get that over.
All right, attorney audit. The traffic stop itself may be lawful if there was a real violation, but the legal problem is what happens next. Treating a partially raised window like a crime by itself is a shaky reason to escalate, especially if the driver is otherwise complying. Now the bigger issue, the dad filming from across the street. In general, recording police in public from a safe distance is protected, and interference usually requires actual obstruction, getting in the officer's space, physically blocking, refusing clear lawful orders. Recording and talking by itself is exactly the kind of thing that creates First and Fourth Amendment liability when it's met with arrest and force. Settlements don't always mean the city admits wrongdoing, but they often mean the city sees serious litigation risk, especially when the video looks like unlawful detention, unlawful arrest, or excessive force. And that's how ego policing becomes expensive policing. Should taxpayers have to pay for this kind of escalation? Comment $250,000. Laws vary by state, educational, not legal advice.